Hey everyone, happy International Waffle Day. Did you know that waffles have been around for centuries, with the first waffle recipe dating back to the 14th century? Today, waffles are enjoyed all over the world, with many countries putting their own unique twist on this classic breakfast dish. Today, I'm going to show you how to make homemade waffles that are crispy on the outside and fluffy on the inside. To start, you'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 3/4 cups of milk, 2 large eggs, half a cup of melted unsalted butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. First, whisk together the dry ingredients in a large mixing bowl. Next, in a separate bowl, beat the eggs and then add in the milk, melted butter, and vanilla extract. Mix until well combined. Add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and stir until the batter is smooth. Pour the batter onto the waffle iron, making sure to spread it evenly. Cook until golden brown and crispy on the outside, about 3 to 5 minutes depending on your waffle iron. Serve the waffles hot with your favorite topping, such as whipped cream, fresh fruit, or maple syrup. And there you have it, delicious homemade waffles that are perfect for any occasion, whether it's International Waffle Day or just a lazy Sunday morning. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Happy International Waffle Day, and enjoy your waffles.